Hi everyone, my name is William Arteta. First of all, I'm using my tripod just below my phone to help me stabilize, to me holding my phone or turning on the table. Anyway, how's everyone doing? I'm doing good. The reason why I'm doing this is because I'm going to teach myself how to upload video to YouTube. YouTube. I don't know why they're done it, but because it's video, video for YouTube. Anyway, I'm going to teach you some alphabet and tiny dark English and American tiny English. First of all, tiny dark English is like my mom here, for example. Hi, mom. How are you doing today? I'm here. I'm doing fine. What are your plans for today? I am going to the store to get some groceries. See that? Those two? I've been at the English grammar and saying the word for word. Now I'm going to do the ASL, American Sign Language. I'm here. I'm here. You see that? Those two? They're not using a break. They're using the ASL abbreviation of tiny dot English. Later, Punky Bucket, the man said, I'm doing, how are you? He said, I'm doing fine. Then she said, what are your plans for today? He said, I am going to the store to get some groceries. Groceries. Do you get it? It's confusing, but that's why you have to learn both languages. But first, Tiny Duck English, then American Tiny English. Now I'm going to move on to teach you the alphabet, not Australian or Buddhist or French or whatever, just here you have English. I can see me clearly about. Okay. A. Get them out. A. B. C. D. D. E. Color the close bit. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Give me the K. Get down to right here. Put it down. P. Bring me the G right there. G. Now you have a Q. R. H. I get confused with an A or E, but close fit. H. T. U. B. W. X. Kind of like a hook. Y. To here and here. Y. The two is the G. G or G. I know I can read it, but G. Now I'm going to teach you the numbers. Zero. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That number is 1 to 10. Now I'm going to do 11 to 20. There are two ways to say 11. A, 11, by flicking your finger, 11. Or 10, 1, 11. We have everything that you feel comfortable. Can do 10, 11, or 11. I'll do it again. 11, 11, or 11. 12, or 12. 13, or 13. 14. In the back of your finger, can't see it, but 14, or 14. 15, 15, or 15. 17, or 17. 18, or 18. 19, or 19. Now, 20. Same thing, 20. There's no, I'll give you 10, but that one not it. Finally, I'll do 20 to 30. 20, second a bed at 20. The two is to 21. 21. 21 or 21. 22, same thing, 22. 23, 23 or 23. 24, 24 or 24. 25, 25 or 25. 26, 26 or 26. 27 or 27. 28 or 28. 29 or 29. 30 or 30. Tada! I hope you enjoyed my video. I've done in English, ASL, and alphabet, and numbers. Please feel free to leave comments below and subscribe to my channel. This is my first vlog, if not the second. Thank you. Have a good day.